What's going on YouTube? This is going to be a short update video on my Silverado. As you know, I did damage the front end last time, so this is how she looks so far. I got the new fenders in, the driver and passenger, so now I have matching fenders, and I did remove the plating right here, or moldings. I got the headlights in, the new radiator and AC condenser, and it's pretty much all back together. It's running already. I do have the bumper and the hood. I just gotta put them on. I just haven't had too much time. But like I said, it's just gonna be a small update video. And also today I will be installing my new Tru-cool transmission cooler. As you can see down here, and the old one's still there. It actually still works, which is pretty cool. It's just all bent up, as you can see. But like I said, it's cool because it still works. But yeah, this is how she looks right now. And I'll go ahead and show you guys how I mount this cooler. Also, thanks to all the new subscribers, likes and comments. And if you like this content, just make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to help us grow the channel. And here we go. So like I said, the way that I like to do these, I like to keep it kind of factory. So this bar right here, as you can tell, it does have like it's like a L shape. So I did go ahead and buy one from the Home Depot. As you can see right here, it's a 1/16 thickness and 1 inch by 36. So that way it has the same style, and it's actually a good, bracing. And because the thing is, like, I don't like to do a lot of self-tapping screws and stuff like that on these bars or anywhere really, because I mean that's just kind of tacky to me. But because a lot of people like to put stuff fast with tapping screws and just go, but I don't like that. So like I said, I mean, I'll be doing it a little bit different. I'll be adding a brace like this on top and then color matching it. And what I'll be doing is, instead of using their hardware right here, like they have these bendable brackets and little screws, but like I said, I'll be doing it different. I'll be using this bar and with some insert nuts or nut rivets right here. You can find these like Amazon or eBay. Like, I'll just try to link the stuff that I'm using in this video down below in the description. And like I said, I mean, this is just a nut rivet gun, and you can see them right here. So you'll like insert them, and then you can put the bolts and remove them without having any issues in the long run or a long time. Alright, so basically, to start off, I do have to flip this bar upside down, because the way it sits now, I won't let the radiator sit. And I'll show you guys real quick. And these bolts right here are 10 millimeters, so we just take these off. And you just, like I said, you're gonna flip this one around, so that way your cooler can sit on here, and you can mark the spot to drill the top holes. So that's one, and this other one, and they line up perfect, so you're not gonna have any issues like this. See, so just put it back together. And that's one step right there. All you gotta do is the top, cutting that bar and stuff. But now how it sits like this, I can actually like sit down the cooler and then mark the spot where I have to put the bracket on top. See, as you can see, that's basically how it's gonna go. And like I said, I mean, to me this looks pretty cool, and it's pretty simple, and it's like stock. A lot of people, they like to right here do like a self-tapping screw. You could do that too, but I don't like to, like I said earlier. But I'll just be putting that bar and then putting the insert nuts right there. But like right now, I mean, I'll just mark with a marker where I have to drill the hole to insert a rivet nut under these. So. has the bottom tool right there already with the insert nuts. And it's, like I said, basically like factory, because as you can tell from before, like these had insert nuts as well. So now these two have them, and I can just put, like, you know, bolts in there and take them in and off, and it's no problem. Yeah, my neighbor's testing out his truck. Also, I'm just gonna be using these 10 millimeters. They're like stock GM bolts, so they'll be going in like that. And like I said, I mean, they're threaded for it, so they're good now. And you can just take it in and off whenever you want without like having to, you know, re-tap your screws into the metal, and then, you know, after a while they get loose or messed up because you did it too many times, you know. So that's why I like doing this. But I'll go ahead and do the top ones right now real quick also. Alright, so here's the bracket all finished up. I did go ahead and spray paint the top bracket with flat black spray paint, and that way it'll match the whole, you know, other frame, and using the factory bolts in the bottom. And then I did bolt it up at the top as well, like you saw. I added the insert nuts to the frame, and then also for the cooler, and that way like I can remove it with no problems, you know, having to worry about stripping any bolts or the metal. Alright, so here it is all mounted. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. If you like it, if you don't like it. I mean, like I said, it's just a little bit different. Instead of using the tapping screws, that's how I like to do mine. And on the back, since this truck didn't come with a factory transmission cooler, the lines used to be plugged in directly behind the radiator, but I didn't use it. As you can see right here, it's empty, and then there's one more down here in the bottom, right there. And all I did was add the hoses and clamps, like these right here, to from the original ones. Like, you unplug them and then just run them up, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, that's how she looks right now. Let me know, like I said, what you guys think. So next time I'll just be worrying about, I think I'm gonna try to do or figure out about my tubs, because I have to get them redone since these fenders are stock right now, and I do have to cut them up because it won't lay out like before. So I'll probably be messing with that next, and maybe at the same time I might get the door handle shaved, since right now they just have like some vinyl, as you can tell right there. And the fender right here, you can see it doesn't have a lot of space. Like right now it's lifted because I was working on it, but when I'm at a lower ride height, like it's pretty tight. I'll see if I can post a clip when I tried on the fender the first time, so I can show you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. Also, make sure you subscribe if you want to keep up with the build. It's gonna look really good whenever I get to put the rest of the parts on, because I'm gonna make it better than what it was before, and I might just paint it also, so just stay tuned. I'm not sure. I don't want to paint it just yet because I want to get everything, you know, all settled in before I paint it, because I wouldn't want to like double paint it or anything like that, or rush it to, because it'll, you know, sometimes they come out bad when you rush stuff. That's why I like to do mine, like, you know, at its own time. But that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. We're gone. I got some just tell me that I can, and show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that